Yeah, I will just answer your questions.
In
Ma'am,
case
I
of
don't
paper,
have
can I
today.
use A4 size sheet paper?
Okay, A4 size paper if you have, it's okay. It's okay if you have A4 size paper, not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
But
Grishma, ma'am,
ideally,
should we start with the session?
yes, we
Ma'am,
can start with the session.
ma'am,
Okay, guys. So, as also told to you by Grishma, ma'am, that in case you cannot get the exact material, it is advised to get something close to it. So, in case you don't have exact A3 size sheet, so you can get A4 size sheet. If you don't have poster paint, so you can get acrylic paints or watercolors. If you don't have CD marker, you can get a sketch pen. Okay, so anything close to this material would also do in case don't have the exact material. So I guess we are now clear on the things we require for this session. So just let's start with our session. So welcome everyone to Podium Supera. Podium is a super achiever-led educational platform for co-curricular content taught by the world's best teachers. Also, we are extremely happy to announce that Podium is launching their first batch of courses very soon. And the courses are creative writing, calligraphy, contemporary dance, speech and drama, chess, kathak, drawing, and painting. These programs will be taught by the best teachers, and we look forward to seeing you participate in these programs. You can visit our site, that's podium.school, for more information and to avail special discounts. You can also contact on the number that is displayed on your screens for any sort of inquiries related to these courses. So, guys, the instructions are quite simple. We will start with our faculty's teaching in the beginning. At that time, all of you will be on mute. If you have any questions or queries during that time, you can type them out in the comment box. At the end of our session, you will be unmuted, and at that time, you can ask whatever you feel like. So, guys, today we have with us Ms. Grishma Chandaria. Ms. Grishma is founder of House of Art, an online platform showcasing her talent and also a beautiful verse by her students. She is also an ex-teacher from Dhirubhai Ambani International School and has been practicing art as a teacher for more than a decade. As you all know how great of a teacher Grishma ma'am is, on your special request and all because of the love you possess for ma'am, we have the opportunity to have some time with her again. Welcome, Grishma ma'am. Thank you for joining us. Over to you.
Yes, thank you, Simran, for such a wonderful explanation. Always, it makes me so happy when you say that, by demand. I'm happy that all the kids are loving it. So, yeah, kids, hope you all are excited to do this Diwali workshop. And today is New Year and Sal Mubarak. So, Sal Mubarak to all you tiny little kids and all. So, Sal Mubarak. And let's start drawing. Let's not waste our time and let's start. So, what everybody needs is there are a lot of confusion that, ma'am, we don't have chart paper, we do not have this paper. No problem. Whatever paper you have, just let me know. If you have a A3 size paper, that is best. But even if you don't have, ideally you have to draw on a A4 size sheet. So it is completely okay. This is a kind of a card which I wanted to make it. But even if you have a A4, it's completely fine. But A4, you don't have to fold. Okay, guys? So whenever any queries is there, as Simran said, you guys can do a thumbs up or you can write in the chat. I will go very, very slow. So let's begin the class. Yeah, Simran? Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am, sure.
yeah. So guys, this is your A3 size paper, which is your regular paper. But what you need to do is you need to fold your paper. If anybody is using A3, then fold it. You need to fold it so that you will get a card form. And if you have a A4, then please do not fold. You have to draw straight on your A4. So keep your A4 size vertical. Vertical means lengthwise. Do not hold it sleeping ways or horizontal or landscape. You have to do it in a vertical way. Okay. So this is your required A4 size sheet. A3 is converted into A4. So I hope everybody is clear. All right. So let's start drawing on a A4 sheet. So kids who are on A4, then continue on A4. Do not fold. I'm repeating myself again. So I hope everyone is clear on that. Let's keep your scale ready, your pencil and your eraser. I hope it is ready. Also, please keep your marker pen also ready. If nobody has it, you can use black color sketch pen. It is completely fine. Now let's start. I'll zoom in for you guys a little. Okay. Now, let's start. First, what we are going to do, keep it vertical. Guys, remember, it should be a vertical paper. Now, what you do is keep 2 fingers, 3 fingers down. You can keep 3 fingers down, end of the page. Take a scale, hold it straight, and draw a border. 3 finger space. Zara, Nitya, Advai, Amog, Divyanshi, I hope you guys are ready. Aditi, all of you are understanding. 3 fingers below. Right now, we are not talking about paints, Pranav. Let's concentrate on our drawing first. Akshara, Ira, I hope guys, you have done this much, 3 fingers. Now up you go, 3 fingers. And again, make a border. Make sure you hold your scale straight and make a border. Again, starting 1 finger over here. You can have 1 finger over here. Make a line again. 1 finger on the right hand side. Make a line again. So 1 finger left, 1 finger right. Now you can make a border. Sanvi, Ishan, I hope you guys are doing it. Shivansh, Kavya, Dhruv, understanding beta? If all of you have understood how to make a border, please give a thumbs up so we can continue further. I will wait for 2 minutes till that everybody finishes. Yes, I am doing on A4 size only. Again, repeating myself, A3 paper, I have folded it. We are drawing on a A4 sheet. Yes, Rahini, I can repeat myself. I have done it on a A4 sheet. This is A4. I have left 3 fingers top and down, made a border on the top and down, 1 finger left, 1 finger right, and made a border. I hope, Rahini, you got it. Okay. Now everyone, back with your long scale. Make sure you keep your 0 on the top of your paper. Zero should be on the top of your paper. Now mark it on 13 and mark it on 14. You can write along with me, mark it on 13 and 15, sorry. Mark it on 13, 0 should be on the top. Mark it on 13, mark it on 15. You can write along with me. Yes, Sahana, tell me, beta. It is centimeter, beta. Yes, it's centimeter. 0, you have to keep it on the top. 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter on your right side. You can write your numbers also. No, Divyanshi, it has to be 13 and 15. 13 and 15. I hope it is more clear now. Okay. Now write on 13, you have to keep 4.5. Now a lot of kids would be small, so you will not understand what is 4.5. So between 4 and 5 centimeter, there is one line that is called 4.5. All tiny kids, please pay attention on your screen. Between 4 and 5, this is the line which is 4.5. So this 4.5, you have to keep it on 13. So if I have to zoom in and tell you, then it would be something like this. You have to keep 4.5 on 13. I'll draw parallel, I'll draw a line first, which is 0 to 4.5. Again, I'll go on 15. I'll keep it again on 4.5. Where the 15 dot is, I will keep it on 4.5. Now again, I will draw a parallel line to my 13. Okay, I hope you guys, everybody has got it. 13 and 15, we drew a line from 0 to 4.5. Okay, all of you. And parallel to this, 0 to 4.5. Now, after you finish this, now we are going to draw a circle. You can make 2 dots, on one on the top, one down. I am going to zoom in for you guys so that you guys get a clear view of it. You don't have 4.5 on your scale. If you don't have 4.5 on your scale, then you can put 4 fingers. From 13, you can keep 4 fingers and make a dot. So from 13, you could have kept 4 finger, make a dot, 4 finger, make a dot. If somebody does not have 4.5 on the scale, which I don't know how you don't have. Now, draw a circle, which is C for cat and reverse C for cat. So draw a circle. Okay, Sahana. Now these two dots were made, make C and reverse C. So this is a circle. Half a circle will go out, half a circle will go in this parallel line. Ahana, are you understanding? Samuel? Guys, if you're understanding, whenever I call out anybody's name, you can show me a thumbs up. Jyoti, Dhruva. So once I know, Monal, Sanvi, I hope you guys are understanding. Okay. Kartikesh, Amog, I hope we all have finished till here. Now everyone, let's go back to the point on the top, 3.5. So this is the point. Now you have to keep the box which you have made, keep 3.5 over here. Again, 3.5 means between 3 and 4 is 3.5. This line is 3.5 centimeter. Put it at 3.5, make a dot on the top. So there is a first dot which is made here. Okay, so I will just write it, number 1. So at least for your understanding, you will understand what to join where. Okay. Now at 13, where you have kept, where this dot is, you can keep 3 fingers over here, the top dot. So keep your first finger over here, and where it is ending, you can make a 3 dot. Roughly, if I have to tell you how many centimeter, it would be 3.5 centimeter. This would be 3.5 centimeter, roughly. So sometimes your fingers are fat, sometimes your fingers are small or thin, then you don't know. So if you have to give you measurement between the 13 dot and this, it is roughly 3.5. How it is on the top. You remember I told you 3.5, which is also roughly mine 3 fingers. But if you want to use a scale for the exact measurement, then you can see 3.5. Okay, guys, now you join this first dot to your second dot. So what you're going to do is you're going to curve it out like this. Like a curve out. If I have to zoom out, you will understand better. Like a out and go and join to this dot. Okay, now where 15 is, you can keep your 3 finger here or 3.5 centimeter, however your choice is. Exactly where 15 dot is, right below. If you have to measure, it would be 3.5. Everything is 3.5. For all the elder kids, they should understand, but for younger kids, it can be like a 3 finger space for all. So from this below dot till here, it is 3.5 centimeter or 3 fingers. Now, all what you have to do is you have to join it with the U and come to the center of the face, almost to the center. Not down, not top, but the center of the face. And this should be like a U or If you have to see, I'll give you a rough drawing of it. So the shape is something like this. Okay, like a hook. If I have to give you the shape, it's out, join the second dot, you come up to the center of the face. Nirvi, Iman, Aina, Akshara, understanding, Sahana, Arya, Sasha, Fatima, Shivansh, understood, Kavya. I hope all of you are understanding. Litiksha, Pranav, are you understanding? Nobody, I hope all of you are with me in this. Okay, Sahana. Harshita. What, Divyanshi? Okay. Yes, it was 3.5 from this dot, from this box. 3.5 from year to year. 3.5, the second dot to the 13 dot. 3.5 from 15 to this dot. So everything was 3.5 distance. The steps was 3.5 over here. It was still here, the first dot. The second dot was from here to 3.5 here. And the third dot was 3.5 vertical and here. Roughly, if nobody understands, then it is 3 finger space. I hope you have a lot of space after this. There should be at least a 1 hand distance. The space over here should be roughly 1 hand or little more or little less. Even if you don't have long scale, it does not matter, beta. My measurement have not gone beyond 15. And a normal scale at least has 15 centimeter. A small scale has 15 centimeter. I have not gone beyond 15 anyways. So if somebody is asking me, ma'am, I don't have long scale, which is okay. Okay, guys, I hope all of you are fine. Kruti, Avni, Dhruva, Divya, Harampreet, Kavya, okay. I hope all of you are okay. Now I'm moving further. Now let's start the another line, which is the second line of the peacock. So what are we going to do is, we are going to take 7 and this part, this junction, everybody on your screen right now, please look at your screen. This should be on 7 and mark it on 0. I'll zoom in for you guys. The 7 is over here and 0 is marked here. Now, what you're going to do is start from the top of your head where 13 is. Just look right now 2 minutes and then curve it and join it like this. There would be a little finger space between the border and the neck of the peacock. Little finger space. If I have to give you a space, then to see the measurement, 1 tiny finger space. So I have started from the top of my head till down. Top of my head till the 7 centimeter. Samuel, Ahana, understanding beta, all of you? Okay, lovely. Now, guys, I'm going to concentrate on my eyes and beak. Yes. Inaya, the next step now. After this, these two dots were there. I am just zooming in, guys. Yes, Sahana, it's beautiful, right? It's beautiful, correct. Now I am going to draw a slant line from here and extend it below. Remember where the top dot is, go little down and extend the slant line. Now this slant line, which is ahead, would be of 1 thumb length, almost 1 thumb. Not more than that, not less than that. Now, why I have done line? So that I can draw my eye right in the center, my upper beak line, my lower beak line. My upper beak, my lower beak. Now I will erase my understanding line from my face. I will keep it like this. You can accentuate your eye, darken it up, make it really nice and beautiful because it's peacock eye. You can keep this center line. Now let's draw the crown. Crown is like this, coming from one dot. You can make one dot like a leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Coming from one dot, you can make the crown. Half, you can make like a leaf. Now you can erase this understanding line, the 13 and 15 line. You can erase the dots also. You can erase this. Eraser is not good. Clean up. If you want to erase the numbering, you can erase the numbering also. The top numbering which was there, you can erase that because all these things was for your just understanding purpose. So now we have got the basic shape of peacock. Correct, guys? I hope your peacock is right now looking beautiful and quite symmetrical. Okay. Now, guys, let's make the section so that we can start mandala pattern. Now, from the neck bitter, all of you just pay attention on the screen. From the neck, you keep 2 fingers, make a dot, and make a section with 2 lines. So 2 fingers. Now 2 finger below again, below the section line. Again, double line for the section. Again, there is a 2 finger space here. Now, where this junction is, from here, you curve it and make a section over here. A little curve, not very deep curve, kind of a slant line. See, if I have to make a line, it will come like this. But I'm going little curve down, not very deep also. A medium curve line. And I'm touching it over there. Is my eraser. So this section, okay? So 1, 2, and 3. Now this third one also you double it up. Okay, great guys. Now from here, keep one finger space, make 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots on the top part. The spacing is one finger. Now from the top, you go towards this side, double up the border, touch towards the neck, double up the border. And this one will touch here. Again to the neck, double up the border. All the lines are touching towards the neckline. And if you guys have more space, some might have a space, then you can make one more line depending upon your space. If you have more space here, draw one more section. You can create one more section if there is a space here. But if you don't have a space or a less space, it's okay. Yes, Rahini, your drawing also would be good, I'm sure, because everybody has got a measurement. So I'm sure all of you must be doing very good work. Yeah, if you guys have more space, do more. If you guys have less space, could be less, but it should be like a equal section. Yahan pe probably it will look little narrow to broad, but otherwise it would be nice. Like equally divided, one finger. Space on the top, I'm covering it, beta. That we will do it. Don't worry. Yes, we will do mandala on that. Now, let's start from here, guys. All of you. This border, okay? Remember, I'm going now left side, sorry. So from here, one finger space, one dot. I'm writing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One finger, 5 dot I have made. Now I am going to start all my dots on the top. The top line, remember, is joining the top. The 2 is joining the top. The 3rd is joining the top. The 4th is joining the top. The 5th is joining the top. I am making numbers so that you guys understand. You're not joining one over here to the feather section. You're joining it to the border. So remember where Miss starts and where Miss ends. Do not join anywhere else. Now at little distance again, you join the 6th one and the 7th one. And probably at a place where it will join somewhere here. So it might be 7 or 8, or some people might get to 7. It depends whosoever gets whichever point. Sometimes your fingers are thin, sometimes they are fat. But you have to stop at 7 or 8 and it should be touching here then, the feather part of it. Now guys, whatever spacing you have, you can keep one finger distance or little smaller. and just join it till here. Depending upon your space availability, it will join, all of them will join here. Mine was 9, 10, 11, and 12. For you guys, it might come little more or 1 or 2 less. I have more space here, so I'm going to make one extra line here. So you guys also decide how your spacing is distributed. Mostly in the given dots, you should figure it out. Like I had a lot of space here, so I made one more section, extra section. Yes, Divyanshi and Shivansh, thank you, beta. I am happy that you guys are liking the class. Yes, Sahana, we will be doing a mandala now on Peacock. Yes, it might go narrow to broad, correct. If you're saying thin to fat, yes, it can somewhere from your thin to little broad because you're giving a little shape which is a curve and not parallel. So it might happen thin to broad. Yes, correct, Divyanshi. If it is too broad, then make one extra section. Okay, guys, just understand the balance of it. That's okay. If you have 11 dots, it's fine. I told you, some might get 12, some might get 10, some might even get 13. Okay, guys, good. Yeah, I added an extra section over here because mine was too broad over here. So I added an extra section which was here below. Yeah. Okay, all of you. Now let's begin with our drawing. All of you are done. Now all of you can get a sketch pen, which is sketch pen or a CD marker, because we will do directly the patterns. All right. I have done numbers. You can erase the numbers later, because numbers were for your understanding purpose only, so that you understand how the measurement goes or how the dot goes, because then there are again mixed age group kids, so we need to cater to all the age group at one go, correct? So we make our dots and we make sections so that everybody understands. You can clean up all your things, your dots and anything, lines, numbers, clear it up. If you have a CD marker pen, well and good. If you don't have, use your sketch pen, guys, no problem at all. But now that you guys are doing a lot of art classes with me, I would suggest you buy a CD marker pen. It is a waterproof marker pen. So whenever you are painting, your paint does not bleed or smudge. The reason we use this is because of that. Yeah, you can use sketch pen, Sharpie pens, Stedler pen, black, any kind of a pen. But as I'm showing you on the screen, it's a CD marker, basic 0.5 point. Okay. So next class, anytime, because you've been doing a lot of art, so it's always better to invest in some art supplies. Yes, you can use gel pen also. If it is Divyanshi, it is dried, use a black sketch pen. Or use a darker color sketch pen. Guys, if you don't want to do black, you can use a purple color, red, purple, blue, green. You can use a gel pen, but I would advise black. Okay, let's start now. All of you just outline it first. Outline everything. Remember, guys, outline neatly. Also, whatever I have done is, I hope all of you have a black color brush pen. So what I did is, rather than filling up my eyeball with my CD marker pen, I used my black brush pen to fill it up, because it's better to use a black brush pen to fill it up. Don't use your CD marker pen to fill up. Rather use a little brush pen. Okay, if anybody has, nobody has, you can use a CD marker pen. Guys, you don't have to outline the border, only just the peacock, okay? Do not outline the border. Wow, Sahana, that is very quick. Yeah, you have outlined with sketch pen somebody's work, I can see. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, Samuel, correct, beta. Still few lines are little haphazard, but nice. Good work. Nice, neat. Arya is doing good. I can see Arya's work on my screen. Akshara's work I can see on my screen. Very nice. Anushri, I don't know whose name is this. iPhone, which I can see the blue pad. Yes, I can see your work also. It's really nice. Yes, beta, I can see your work. Kruti and Ayana, yes, beta, it's correct. It's good. It's good. Nirvi, Divya, Divyanshi, very good, beta. Shivansh, there is a tiny guy not doing it today. Nirvi, yes, Sahana, lovely, beta. Very good. Inaya, Khushi, lovely. The colors look really bright and nice. I'm very, very happy with all of you. Kavita, very good. Rishik, Kavita, very nice. Afia, lovely. Divyan, amazing. Avni, I want to see your work, beta. Are you eating or are you doing work? Afia, very good, beta. Nice. Bhavya, Parth, Amarjeet, I don't know, you guys, I can't see you, but I hope you guys are doing it great. Shrishansh, Brinda, Vaibhav, Priyanka, I hope all of you guys are doing well and understanding. If you're not understanding, please write it on the chat. GS Kruthi, yes, I can see, beta, lovely. Avni, very nice. Akshara, I saw you, beta, it's lovely. Nitya, I can't see your work. I hope all of you are doing your work. Yes, beta, we will be doing mandala now. We will wait for 2 minutes for others to finish. Okay, guys, back with your pen now, starting with the pattern. Okay, now guys, mandala patterns, you can create some of your own, but I will show you few patterns so you can replicate those patterns in the entire peacock. Okay, so let's begin. Let me zoom in my camera. Huh. Okay, starting with the first, which is my first. I'm starting from the top, all of you. Yes, all you younger kids, I'm just saying for younger kids, if you guys are little, if you guys feel that, my patterns might not go very well and I'm not confident, then please use pencil first and then use pen outlining. But kids who are little elder and are little confident that, yes, miss, we can manage pen directly, then you guys can use pen directly. But you don't want to take any chances and you want to be sure that you don't want to make a mess out of your pattern, then please do pencil first and then do the outlining later. Okay, all of you? So all younger kids can do with pencil first. Miss is showing directly pen. As Avni said, she wants to do pencil first and then the pen. Okay? So let's begin. Whosoever wants to use whatever, comfortable with them. I'm going to start with this and I'm going to make lines, but fine lines, like a sun. Now I'm going to make basic triangles. Basic. There is nothing fancy about it. But remember, it should be equal. Yes, you can use pencil. You can do colorful. Yes, you can. If you want to do colorful, like if I want to use sketch pens, which are colorful, one blue, one red, one green. If you have it, very well. I have no problem. You can use colorful. Yes, you can color inside the pattern, Sahana. You can use sketch pens or brush pens or glitter pens to color inside. But after this triangle, I'm going to make semi-triangle inside, or it's called double triangle. And I'm going to fill my double triangle with black because I am going to use a black and white pattern. So I will stick to my black and white pattern, but you guys can do a colorful pattern. Now, let's start making lines on the other leftover part, which is plain slant lines. Now what I'm going to do is, guys, look here. Just look here and then you continue. This is a big one. I'm going to draw small U's, but not touching the line. I'm just making first basic patterns. And below space, I'm going to do lines. But remember not to do far lines. I don't like that. Try to do close lines. The more the intricate, the better it looks. Yes, you can make it beautiful and nice as per your creativity. If you want to create something new, be my guest, beta. It's always better to use your creative part and create something fun or different. Now, wherever the filling part is, I'm using, guys, my black brush pen because it becomes easier for me when I have to fill it up. So if you guys are using colored sketch pens or brush pens to fill up, you can use colored pens. Red, orange, you can. Like make a pattern with black, filling can be done with colored pens also. Now I'm going to do leaf, basic leaf beta. These are basic shapes which you need to learn first. Remember, you have to touch with each other. Leaf shape. Now again, I'm doing a filling pattern in the leaf by creating the same leaf shape inside. Okay, all of you, next pattern. I'm going to make like a dome shape. But remember, what I am going to do is I'm going to make a little fat dome, not very thin. But remember to be symmetrical, okay? Not one thin, one broad, one this. It should be very symmetrical. Not fat, patla, mota, nahi, please. Do it slowly, do it neatly. Make basic shape of dome. Reverse U or dome shape. Or semicircle. Whatever you guys can say that shape as. Now, again, I'm going to make semicircle and I'm going to make it like a sun. Sun rays which go slant. Please don't make straight lines. All you tiny kids, please understand how Miss is drawing lines. If nobody is understanding, please look at the screen and how Miss's pattern is. Please follow the instruction. Yes, beta, if anybody has a doubt, please write it down on the chat. I'm ready to answer your doubts. Yes, you can use sketch pen for filling. That's always okay, beta. You can use whichever medium for filling. Yes, dark black brush pen only I'm using for filling up. If you can look at my screen, I'm using a dark black brush pen only to fill it up. Yes, beta, Inaya, you can use your creativity, of course, because I am going very slow as I have to see all the kids are with me. But if you are a little fast and a little elder child, please continue your own pattern. You can create your own pattern. I'm sure, you guys would be knowing a lot of patterns, triangles, heart shapes, spirals. Or innovate your own pattern. Now, what I'm going to do is, as I just said, spiral, something very easy, very basic, but touch and go round and round and make 2 lines as a separation. Round and round and round. Don't make half spiral pattern, spiral or snail pattern, whatever you can call. But round and round and round and go like a jalebi inside. But remember, not small, big, fat. Again, the idea of this entire pattern is to be symmetrical and try to be as equal as possible. The entire pattern should look beautiful and not messy, please. First important thing, a neat pattern work. Yes, you can color your jalebi, Sahana, and eat also. Akshara, Neksha, are you guys understanding? Okay. You can do a thumbs up. I will get it better. You can just do a thumbs up. That's also all right. Because you guys are normally on mute. So if you do thumbs up, I'll understand. Yeah, it's yummy, Sahana. Haven't we eaten a lot of jalebis and mithais? Yeah, the iPad person says, whoa, or surprised. What is your name? Beta, you have just kept your name as iPad. Yes, Nirvi. Priya Lakshmi, Monal Bhatia, Sanvi, beta, all you okay? All of you understanding? Anushri. Yes, Ayana, very good, beta. I can see your patterns, really nice and lovely. Yes, iPhone with the blue thing. Yes, Khushi, lovely. GS Kruti, I can see your work. Very nicely done. All of you give a detailed work to it. Yeah, Divyanshi, I can see it's a colorful sketch pen work. Impressive. Okay, guys. Nitya, I can't see your work. You can show me your work on the screen, beta. Lovely. Not bad. Very good try. Very nice. Ira, very nice. I can see it. Okay, moving on further, beta. Now, everyone's favorite shape, heart. You can create a heart shape. Touching each other. Please don't leave space, guys. I don't want space between two patterns. Touching each other and give a proper shape. Take your time. And if you feel you're getting a little confused, please do it with the pencil first and then do it with the pen, so you don't make a mistake. Now in this my section is going from narrow to broad. So if you'll see, my heart goes little broader or longer. Now I'll repeat my heart shape again inside. Heart के अंदर heart कर लो. And outer space, I am filling it up. I'm not filling up this time inside. I am using a different technique of filling up the outer space with black brush pen, or in your case, sketch pen, or anything, whatever you have. Color pencils also works better. If some people don't have something, you can always use backup color pencil. ऊपर का shape में भी, heart का shape में भी, there would be a space. So fill up that entire space of parallel line with black. Now guys, I had this two peacock. I'm going to fill up with circles. So this, guys, you can use directly sketch pen or pen rather than doing with pencil. Touching each other like bubbles or circles. And this one I can just make lines. Now I am filling my crown of the peacock, half black, half white, as I've made a center line in it. The patlu space which you have, beta, Sahana, ye chotu space, you can create a line, or what you can do is make a dot. So say for example, you can even make dots with the brush pen. So it will give you a nice pattern effect. Or you can make lines. Or you can make small triangles. Yeah, Parina. Parinia. Yes, Parinia. Yeah, but there are two iPads, so I'm not able to understand which iPad is Parinia. Yeah, inner part is okay. It is your pattern. Even if you have done the coloring in the inner part of the heart, It's lovely. Yes, you can color in those thin parts or do patterns in the thin parts. Even if it is missed out or you've done something extra, it's completely fine, beta. It's pattern of your choice. Now, guys, I hope you have got the patterns this much. All I want you to do is repeat those patterns in the leftover part or create your own pattern. I want you to use your own creative part and come up with your own creative part. Or repeat these patterns. The main shapes are triangles, semicircle, leaves, spirals, heart, lines, or circles. So you can use your own style of doing the patterns. In the patlu part also, you can do patterns, lines, or small triangles. Like in my case, see if you have seen, Miss have used dots and very fine lines close to each other. I can do whatever I want to do, beta, or like a small triangle, like a zigzag pattern or a crimp pattern. Yes, Sahana, I hope everybody understood this. Now I'm going to leave this much section for you guys to finish it. And I want all of you this time, okay? I want to see everybody's work. Yes, Zan, I want everybody's work with their name written over here, whosoever's name it is, and your date. And please write Happy New Year over here on the top. The top part is left for you guys to write Happy New Year or Diwali 2020, whatever you want to write. You can also write Sal Mubarak, your choice, with your gold pen, red pen, whatever you want to write. Like if I want to write, I will write Sal Mubarak. So I can write Sal Mubarak with my sketch pen or brush pen. Okay, guys, so you can write Sal Mubarak, Happy New Year, or Diwali 2020, as per your choice. Now I am going to take my paint and going to paint inside this box. So all of you, please remove your paint, or you can do the pattern now, and then also later you can do your painting. That's also fine. But in the border, okay, beta, where peacock is. So I am using a neon color. I have a very nice bright neon red color, fluorescent red it is called. So I'm using that to paint my background because I want to look very bright. But you can use basic orange color, red color, blue color, whichever color you have. Oh, you are with pink sweater? Okay, beta, I'll see you then right now. Yeah, guys, as Simran ma'am said, post your work on your Instagram, on your Facebook, and you can tag Podium, you can tag House of Art, and you can tag us so that we can correct your work and we can repost your work. Remember, while you are painting, guys, be very careful. Use the tip of the brush to paint. Do it very neatly and nicely. Don't mess it up. And you can take your time, even though this class gets over and you're not able to finish it, it's okay. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the class, and you will bottom of the lines. Bottom of these lines, if I would like you not to do anything, but if you want to write, you can write hashtag podium and hashtag house of art. So we can do that, you know, we can promote your work. Or you want to write Diwali and you want to gift it to somebody, you can do that. But yeah, you can always write Sal Mubarak. So Anahita, are you guys? Sanvi, I hope all of you guys have enjoyed. I can see Arya's work going very beautiful. Akshara and Neksha's work also, I can see it's looking very nice and gorgeous. I'm really happy seeing all the colorful work. I can see Kavya coloring and painting. I can see Litika done very nice purple colors, and Divyanshi and Shivansh painting the work. And Afia doing wonderful. Yes, beta, it's looking gorgeous. So guys, do not forget to tag us. You can tag House of Art, you can tag Podium. So we can repost your work. Yes, and also write your name along with it so we know who has done what. Yes, Sahana, I can see a pretty purple color. And the iPad with the yellow t-shirt, I can still not find you. Yes, Fatima, Plakash, Plaksha. Yes, Plaksha, very nice, beta. Lovely. Afia, very good. Fatima, very nice. I can see your work. Vrinda, very good. I can see your colors. Sahana, Kavya, good. Abhir, very nice. Monal, Sanvi, I can see the work, very nice. Arya, lovely. Sanvi, amazing. The color looks really nice. That orange is bright and good. And I can see Samuel's also painting it, so very good. Yes, beta, if you have a doubt, yes, Sahana, go ahead, beta. I can read your message. Yes, I can zoom my work, beta. Let me zoom my work. I hope it's more clear. Now we will give it to Simran ma'am and we can finish the session.
Thank you so much, Grishma ma'am.
Yes.
It's wonderful as usual. I don't know how you do all of this, but yeah, it's really
Yeah, yeah.
kind.
Thank you, Simran. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kids, you want to unmute the kids if they want to ask questions? Guys, we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
ask
Sure.
the question. Simran will do the needful better.
Yes, guys. So, in case you wish to talk to Grishma ma'am, you can just raise your hand and I will unmute you one by one. Okay, Devyanshi, you can ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, when I start outlining, my lines become thick. Like over here also, when I have outlined over here, it has become thick and thin like this. Ma'am,
Ha, which is okay, beta. It's thick to
it
thin.
starts looking weird. Like, see, ma'am, the purple color one also became thick in the between.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. So what you can do is you can, as you are doing directly with pens, right? So it might happen because you're not using pencil. So even if you can see mine better, if I can zoom in, some of the time that, my heart goes big and sometimes it is little small. So it is
Yes.
okay. You will learn over a period of time. So it's perfectly fine, Divyanshi.
And when I was drawing this picture, like when I was trying to erase it, the lines were not getting erased. Like it's still over here.
Yeah, so then what you do is you try to cover it with the paint, or if it does not go, it's okay. Next time, try to draw a little lightly. Miss normally draws very dark, Divyanshi, because a lot of people can't see it right on the screen. So I use normally 10B pencil to draw. I do very darkly, but you guys can always do little light work when understanding lines are there, correct? Because now this is your third class with me, correct? So now you
Yes.
know, right, that Miss normally does understanding line. So those lines, beta, you try to do little light.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Okay, Monal and Sanvi, you can ask your question.
Hello, ma'am. This is Monal.
Hi, Monal. How are you, beta?
We have any question, but I just wanted to make sure that you can see my painting which I created few days back.
Yeah. Gorgeous. That's really nice. I love that patterns and florals, what you have used. Lotuses and flower. Beautiful, beta. Very nice, Monal. Impressive work. I love the patterns on the border, what you've created. Very
Thank you.
nice. So this must be like a easy for you because it was quite similar to the one which you already did.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, my sister has also made something which is different, but she.
Ah, that's really nice. Two peacocks sitting on a tree. Gorgeous idea. Very nice. Very nice, beta. The tiny one has also done very beautiful, beta. I can see your face. I can see your work. And you've colored sun and you've colored clouds. Lovely. Very nice.
Thank
I
you,
love the
ma'am.
black and white color look also. Very good, Monal. Yes, I can see your work, what you've done with me also. Beautiful. So you write your name, Monal, write Sal Mubarak and do paint and show it to me, yeah? Yeah.
Okay, Sahana, are you there? I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am. Over here, over down over here. What should we do over here?
You can do better if you feel it's
Over here.
quite big, right? Narrow to broad. So what
Yep.
I would suggest is try to do like a checks pattern, like go sleeping, standing, and then create a checks. Like create a checks. You know the checks, right? You make a
Yep.
line like this and then create a checks pattern rather than creating any shapes because that will look very nice.
Yep. So over here I can create a checks, and over here I can create a pattern.
Yes, correct. You can repeat the patterns or create your own pattern, diamond, kite, any form of pattern.
Yep.
Okay. Lovely, beta.
Okay, Kavita, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, can you please share some patterns?
Yeah, I can share few patterns. So what you can do is basic shapes you can undertake. You can create, you can, have diamond shape. I don't know if you can see my screen actually, because, yeah.
Yes, I can see.
Yeah, okay. So I can create diamond shape if you can notice over here. And within this diamond shape, I can create reshaping the diamond again. And this once I can just make triangle and triangle inside. Or I can also create lines inside and fill up my diamond shape, right? So take big shapes like circles and triangles and heart. Now the same triangles, so now what I can do is I can also create hash like this way, like creating a sections, and then I can create lines inside. So you guys saw this? So these are very basic shapes which you can redo and create it. Now the same semicircle if I want to do. So what I can do is, I'm just showing you, instead of the lines, I can make a flower. I can make a flower petal rather than doing the lines. So did you see? It's the same thing, but the pattern can be different. The same shape. And I can rework on the shape by giving inside more petal. Look. And more intricate, I can make dots on top of it. So this way you can keep recreating the pattern and work on it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
Arya,
sharing the patterns, I will share the patterns more and more. I think the podium guys will be keeping a lot of sessions of art. So when we will be
yeah,
doing a
sure,
lot
ma'am.
of patterns, yeah, we can do more patterns, because in 1 hour, mostly we can't cover a lot of things.
Yeah, guys, don't worry. Grishma ma'am is here only. We will see her very soon. So you need
Yeah.
not to. Okay,
Correct.
Arya, you can ask your question. I have unmuted you.
Yeah, for this part, for the paint part that they've ma'am used, is it okay if is it okay that I use brush pen for this instead
Yeah,
of?
beta, you can. But normally, beta, it's a quite a large area, right,
Yes.
Arya? So what happens? It's always better to do painting. Otherwise, you will use up your brush pen ink. But yes, you can use brush pen.
Ma'am, I couldn't find my paint, so I used brush pen instead.
Yeah, it's okay. It's looking lovely, Arya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Kavya, you can go next. We can close the interactive session with you.
Miss that I just wanted to show my drawings.
Yeah, Kavya. Gorgeous, Kavya. You have made a green, red, all bright colors and looking very pretty, Kavya. Excellent work.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, guys. So I guess we are done with the questions. You can post your work on Instagram and also Facebook. You can tag House of Art and Podium, and we would love to feature your work and love to see all the gorgeous works you have created today. Also, thank you so much, Grishma ma'am. It's always lovely to have you.
Likewise, Simran. It's always good to be on a podium platform and good to have you. You're such a wonderful person yourself. So thank you for having me.
So kind of you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I will surely see you very soon.
Yeah.
And guys, I'm unmuting you all so that you can bid goodbye to ma'am and thank her for joining us today.
Thank you so much,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Charlie, thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
Bita.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
See you all.
Bye, ma'am.
We'll see you soon.
Is that I don't have any Facebook and Instagram account.
So you can share it with us on WhatsApp. It would be.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys.
Share everybody on WhatsApp. People who don't have social media, just share it on WhatsApp. Simran will do the needful.
Yeah, I will post your work surely. No issues.
Okay, guys. See you all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, guys.